Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jrdigital.com. In this video guys, we'll take a look at Music Maker by Venkatesh. Now in a nutshell, this is a brand new software or app that will let you guys generate free copyright audios and music track that you can use guys for different kind of purposes, like creating videos, making your videos unique, making your videos dynamic and stand out, and without you having to worry about copyrights, right? And you can actually make money with this guys by selling this to your clients, selling this to freelance marketplaces like Fiverr. And there are thousands of people right here are making money by selling music track. Like this person is charging $125 by, like this person right here, is charging $125 by creating a music track right here, right? And there are thousands other people right here that are doing the same thing. This person is $10, $30, $25, $20 right here. And you can list your gig inside of Fiverr. And the best part, inside of, let me show you the members area right here. Alright, so this is the members area or the dashboard of this app right here. The best part about this is that you don't have to need to learn how to do this music thing, because you can just click one button. Let me show you. Right, let me go to audio library right here. Alright, so this is the audio library. You can produce acoustic audios right here, or acoustic music track, atmosphere, ballad, easy listening, electronic, experimental, jazz, matches, reggae, and rock right here, right? So guys, before I'm gonna show you how to use the software to generate your audios or music track, let me show you first my bonuses. So if you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you that to my bonus page that looks something like this. And we scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you can get access guys to all of my custom made bonuses right here. Alright, so my bonus number one guys, I'm gonna show you the exact automated system guys that I use to make money from ClickBank, promoting ClickBank offers. Now with this automated system, I'm able to make $70 over and over again without me having to lift my finger. All you have to do is set up this automated system, and this automated system will consistently work for you 24/7 on autopilot. Alright, I'm gonna show you exactly how I set up this automated system, what product that I promote, and most especially guys, how I drive free traffic into this automated system. Right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, I'm gonna show you how I make, or how to make $4,000 in free commissions. This is actually a case study guys of my result, promoting one specific offer using one specific free traffic. And with this method, I'm able to generate, let me show you my result right here. I'm able to generate $4,000 in net commission guys, just implementing this free traffic method. And you can easily replicate this method to any kind of product or offer you wanted to promote if you are into affiliate marketing. Right, so yeah, that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, I'm gonna give you access to the exact automation software that I use. This comes with the freemium landing page builder or squeeze page builder, where you can build your email list for free, and then you can use the software to automate your business. It can be any kind of business. It can be affiliate marketing business. If you sell products online, you can use this premium software guys to help you guys out when it comes to making money online, or selling your products, or doing affiliate marketing. Alright, so that is my bonus number three guys. Just like I said, this is the exact software that I'm currently using right now. Alright, my bonus number four, I'm gonna give you guys access to this Mac app and graphic design software that will let you create this product cover bundle design right here. And this is the exact software that I use to create this backshot right here from my bonus number five. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys access to this for free and lifetime account. Alright, so that is my bonus number four. And if you would buy this guys, it would cost you like $97. So I'm just gonna give you access to this. And if you wanted to create your own product, and you wanted to design you wanted to design your own product cover like this, then this can really help you guys out, right? And then next bonus is Canva Pro account. This is a pro version of Canva. And then bonus number 6, I'm gonna give you guys access to 5 million premium royalty free HD 4K stack videos, images, vectors, animations, GIFs, and audio tracks, right? And then you will get access, guys, to this other bonus right here. I have this 100 premium bonus bundle right here, and you can actually check that bonus bundle by clicking this link right here. So when you guys click this link, it will open up a document that looks something like this, and this is where you learn all of my bonuses right here. Alright, so these are all of the bonuses. You can just check it out yourself, and this is 100 bonuses that you can get access for free as well, right? You can check it out in your own time. And then I'm gonna give you guys access as well to this 2 other exclusive bonuses that the vendor allowed me to give away. I actually talked to the creator of Music Maker, and he allowed me to give away some exclusive bonuses, right? So yeah, those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you guys would love to pick up Music Maker, through the link down in the description of this video. That is my sign out there, right? So yeah, so when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page, which looks something like this. Right, the headline says discover how you can ditch Spotify and Apple Music and launch your own music service by only paying once, and also get you stream and enjoy free unlimited music for life. Alright, you don't have to like ditch your Spotify and Apple Music, right? So let me walk you through inside of the members area, or inside of the dashboard of this app right here. Alright, so it's really easy to use, guys. You can just basically choose one of this genres right here, and then you would pick one. Let's say you wanted to create this acoustic. All you have to do is click on that generate button. Now this software or this app will provide you this free copyright audio or music track that you can just basically download, but you can preview that one right here. Let me play a preview of this. Alright, now if you wanted to like if you don't like this audio, you can just basically click on this regenerate right here, and it will give you guys a brand new music track or audio. So all you have to do is to play again. Right, and all you have to do, guys, is download that music right here by clicking on this download button right here, and it will let you download that audio, right? And if you go back to audio library right here, this is where you choose all of this genres right here, like atmosphere, ballad, right? You can just basically choose one of this and use the software to generate your audio, right? And then inside of the app, there's also this background removal software. Alright, so you can remove a limited background of an image inside of this app, and then this comes with image to sketch. It will convert your image into sketch, right? You can just upload your image right here and just play around with the settings right here, and it will let you convert your image into sketch. And then you can search images right here. You can search images, videos, and sketch right here. So let's say you wanted to search images. All you have to do is put in a keyword, let's say cat or dog, and this software will provide you guys this royalty free images that you can use for your projects, right? And then videos as well, and then sketch right here, and then editor, image editor. This comes with image editor and video editor. So if you wanted to edit image, you can also use the software to edit an image right here. And then video editor, you can also use software to edit a video. You can just basically download this video editor right here into your computer, and you can use the software into your computer. And then screen recorder. You can just click on this and it will let you download this screen recorder into your computer and use this unlimited, right? And then video templates, this comes with video templates that you can use right here. Mix, animated video templates, ecom video templates, parallax video templates, presentation video templates, title video templates, cinematic, logo intros, logo outros, Instagram promo videos, Facebook cover template. Alright, so yeah, those are all the things, guys, inside of Music Maker. And if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And this is where you access to the tutorial and support right here. Alright, and then what else? Yeah, and there are some upsells, by the way, guys, and you can learn all of these upsells inside of my bonus page right here. Upsell number 1 is the unlimited version of this, but the front end is only $17, right? And you don't have to pay for a monthly payment. And then OTO number 1 is the unlimited version of this. You can produce unlimited music track. OTO number 2 is agency license. OTO number 3 is done for you setup. OTO number 4 is Fadcation version. Now I don't have any info about these upsells because they don't put that in the JB document, but you can actually learn those upsells once you go through the funnel. And then OTO number 5 is the reseller license. Alright, guys, so those are all of the things that you can expect when you guys purchase Music Maker. And again, guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your WordPress account if you guys would love to pick up Music Maker through the link down in the description of this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.